say ebeko World Cup na there should be a target. Na yentie doctor ebra o chechem na afei yewia abedafo nso no entimi emrem. Okay. We a CAF president Nasem no enso enie.
At the next FIFA World Cup, we're going to go to the semi-finals at least, or the finals. You can do that. You can do that. Look at the press statement, as I said, that we will circulate. There are 3-4 issues that are very important. The first is to look at the performance of the 10 national teams in the FIFA World Cup. We're very proud. I'm very proud. African football is very proud. They did very well. We set very high standards for ourselves. We've got very high expectations. Our clear objective, and we are now more confident than ever before, coming from the FIFA World Cup, is to see an African nation becoming champions of the world. I'm more convinced than ever before. Until we have that trophy on the African continent, and you can see we came very close. Many of our national teams in Africa, their performances reflect that they are as good as the best in the world. Look at what happened between Egypt and Argentina. Look at what happened between Cabo Verde. It shows that with absolute commitment, investment, training.
Okay, enti Dr. Samno ne tintini ni tietie nan se. Ose so he World Cup ya e ba twa mu nan se ya. Ye de amai du ene free Africa koye. Na ono de obeka se Africa ya ade pa. Titi usa wo hwe the 2 World Cup ya bonu nan se ya. Ba bia Morocco kokodu ye no. Eno che se ye be ko World Cup ni ade bibi sie ni so. Say look, World Cup ya ye koi. Yanko kan numbers no keke. Na emum yenso yepese yekọ na ekọji eye World Cup ni bi sie na so a. Ogide se the Africa ya sha ase aye no. Titiri Morocco no. Ebedru me bia ono ogide se African country ebetua age World Cup no enso edi asi eye the nice so. Ane number 1 a ode eto eye edwa. Number 2 ose when into say said no or kase African country betimi age World Cup edi asi ni na so nti no. On person be eye meeting bi. Na meeting no hwanum sa ena omokwa kwa meeting na purpose of the meeting no enso any saying Yentie Dr. Patrice Motsepe.
We are going to host a meeting. I'm told that Cabo Verde and some other countries want to host that meeting where we are going to invite all of the coaches of the national teams that participated in the FIFA World Cup and others. And we're going to invite football experts, former legends on the continent, the smartest, the brightest, who've played at the highest levels in the world. And the purpose of that meeting is to talk about what can we do better? What do we learn from our performances in America, in Canada, and in Mexico? Where is the room for improvement? Because we are very clear. And this is a different clarity in our mind because it's a clarity that's backed up by results. Ghana played well, Cote d'Ivoire played well, Algeria. I mean, as I said, every single one of them. But we've got a clear plan. We've got that AFCON Pamoja next year. Next year will be in there.
Okay, and any CAF president, you know, I say, Enche, I be minding no, ya baba transina meeting. Na ya fre enim defo omo agudi enim stakeholders so coaches. In fact, obia o matter in football no. Omo nyina be hia. Ni adwendwene ho say Africa kwan ben so ne be fa World Cup no so enso betimi agibi. Because of you say Nansen World Cup ya yekoyi. Niema kakra Africa ya kwakire no. Say yetimi ye niema ye hihye ye niema ya World Cup ni betimi agibi. Ani to omo ne anim defo ba be hia. No mu nyina na to adwene so ho. Adwento anim no anu betimi ama informed decision. Say ebia ha na ebia lake yenye we say be ye World Cup na ye betimi age enso edi asi ye nan so enkomo no bebre na ode atudwa ebini say o say ono enya de obia betimi aka kire no anase adada ne say onko tetem o se nyame ya adom na ne tem na okoyi otwawia onko biem ɔde dwumadie no bɛtoɔ na obi foforɔ nso no abɛfa na ɔno nso atoa so at the car president ɛnso atumi de ama Africa nyinaa na ɔso ɔkɔ yi ɔgye ade papa adeɛ yi na ɔde gyan a women football afei deɛ ɔbɛgye adi asi nyinaa so no sɛn ɛna ɔno nso ɛnya yɛntie ɛberɛ a ɛno nso no announcement no wɔde to dwa no afei yɛmfa ntoa so na abadwafoɔ mo nso mommerɛm na momakyerɛ m adwen ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dwumadie no nso mu okay yɛntie ɛyɛ car president.
Emphasize that once again, historic day for African football today. The prize money for women's AFCON will be $2 million. That's about 35 million rands.
For the winner. For the
winner, $2 million US. That's about 35 million rands in local currency here. Historic day again. Since the president of CAF took over, the prize money was $200,000 for the women's AFCON winner. Now it has gone up to $2 million US.
Okay, and the confirmation I car president and the host of Jumadino and so at the two just say a fee women's AFCON na yeba bono winner no do ba GDS in national oh ya $2 million. Now before Yera Patrice Motsepe ebe car president no sabe de na oje ema football edisi in national na yema no $200,000 say a shooting at the code 2 million. Not just a massive improvement. And also etimi aba. I know ayen somehow do and also no eda. Josh, me sha sem fenfiri with car president in some or the atujai. Uyana ayala so no entimi emrem.
Yeah, Rich, so in some dosum.
Maybe I pass what the
yeah, in some dosum. And I believe that this show will not give us enough time to exhaust me in kakra. When we get the time, we would delve into the issues. Now, I heard Patrice Motsepe very well, and Ninsama Oka about how African teams did well at this particular World Cup. I born Canada, Mexico, and the USA. You know. I had a little reservation about that comment. And you know, one of the best things you can do, or maybe say one of the easiest things you can do, is to have that hindsight analysis. Say, "Ebi, I didn't see you na yembeka wansem and propose solutions." You say, okay. If free neko, you be any say, you be any ye, you best sano, you the way beka home. The amount for stakeholder meeting to try and put things right. And I believe that was what he was doing with this particular press conference. Rich, before the tournament began, Obiaji Tumuse, for the very first expanded World Cup since France 98, it moved from 24 teams, that's 28 teams to 32 teams. No? We would see a proper preparation from the continental governing body of football, that is CAF. For the first time, we had 9 automatic slots for African countries to play at the FIFA World Cup. And there was 1 remaining slot through the playoffs. Nyamencha, the DR Congo FA playoff slot, no, they were successful. So we had 10 African teams at the FIFA World Cup. Rich, once we got to that level, because say, right from Germany 2006, we had 5 African teams participating in the FIFA World Cup. So if now we have 10, then it means that we need to develop a certain strategy that would help these African teams to be able to make it all the way through to the knockout phases and go very far, because already we saw how Morocco did so well at the Qatar 2022 FIFA World Cup. They went all the way to the semi-final. They made Africa proud. It is when there are 10 African countries there, and also to make sure that
before Ghana and Senegal, so quarter finals.
Of course, of course, and I agree with all of that. Mm-hmm. But Rich, now that he has come to his knowledge that whatever we did at the World Cup is something he is happy about, and he wants to look at how he can improve it. My question is, what is his approach? Because I believe, say, if before the tournament they were able to have all the meetings that he's talking about, answer the tournament in Beshas, there would have been a strategy that would have been developed where the African countries and the African coaches who will meet to have that meeting will say that this is what we have in terms of resources, in terms of squad strength. Then they will receive some technical support from CAF, receive some technical knowledge from CAF, receive financial support from CAF, and any other support that they can receive to help them to be successful at the tournament. No, World Cup. Into the hindsight analysis that is being done by Motsepe, I also understand, because now he is trying to diagnose the problem, and nobody can tell me say Patrice Motsepe is totally happy about whatever happened, because Rich, in a tournament that is being played by 64 countries, not African countries, bear 9 and making out from the group stage to the round of 32. Then before the round of 16, 7 of them fall away. Do you consider that a success story? I don't consider that a success story necessarily. In Kenya, bear 5 going into the round of 16, and Kenya 3 going into the quarterfinal. Then I would agree with what he's saying, that is a success story. But as at now, I don't think so, because Rich, World Cup before this particular tournament, 32 teams and I'm So when you get to the round of 32, to me the tournament has just begun. The tournament has just begun. So if you say that is a success story, I disagree. But the question is, what is the way forward? Rich, Obi Otie Nhyira Power Sports Bia on Saturday, they should prepare. I did a research on why African countries capitulated at this particular FIFA World Cup. You said teams like Senegal, teams like Ivory Coast, right? They couldn't keep up their momentum. South Africa, they lost their games with the last 15 minutes that was remaining, and they couldn't maintain that, structure to be able to win their games. My research be on Saturday.
Sure.
I'll bring that findings and then we'll explore into it. But of course, one of the things that I agree, and I think Motsepe has done so well with, is the prize money for the tournament now. Born on the continent.
About the African football,
he has done super well. And I will commend him forever for that.
Because from $200,000 to $2 million, huge jump. Even if you look at AFCON, Rich, I have the numbers here. AFCON Cameroon 2021, the prize money for the winner was just $5 million. By La Côte d'Ivoire 2023 tournament, it was increased from 5 to 7 million. Then when we hosted in Morocco in 2025, it was increased from 7 to 10. When you look at the trajectory since Motsepe has come, the investment in the prize money to encourage the teams to do well at the continental stage has been super impressive, and I commend him for that. But the comments on the success story at this World Cup, I disagree. And I think that meeting he's talking about is hindsight analysis. Moving forward, so maybe
the right thing to be done.
Motsepe say, look, yes, it was successful.
Okay.
In teams na koye no. But on only few say maybe after the stakeholders meeting we can do better. Yeah, niaman kitikiti bia ya nyen yiye enti na ya ntimi andu be, because like you said, yeah, run 32 no.
Yeah.
Now you cry 9. After no
7 fell away.
It means there's a problem.
Good. So I wished him
that. It's our problem no. See, cost stakeholders meeting na. Ebia omo mbeba no. So coaches, omo mabo ni bida, if stakeholders will be maybe almost so the omo who ya World Cup that's no. Obetimi a share. Then going forward no. Yendi na no ni akasa okay. Ebia African teams ni a problem ni. So the next World Cup ni be kon yenye some mistakes with him.
But Rich, I would have appreciated it if he admitted that even though it is quite commendable,
is it not
but
admitting say meeting on kwano or admitting say yes ebia baby and a person ke kokodu ni ye ndru hot but say yiri ho ne de bibi kan ho we can do well.
So you need to be very explicit in your comments or in your submission.
Okay.
There was here bia and also making sure say you're very honest with we who are watching, because and most of us are not happy with some of the ways that we capitulated at the tournament.
Right.
And we would wish, say, the right things are done. He also has to find a way to communicate that properly. I think there's more room for improvement. And on the African stage, CAF, they have a lot of work to do.
Right. Ayala, CAF president.
Double
Double abana.
Abedin in Como.